you how to train your own image classification model without coding, thanks to Teachable Machine from Google, and then how to deploy this, which means how to use this as a glide column directly, so that you will be able eventually to build a classifier that you really want and then to embed this in your glide application. So here you see I'm just in this website, teachablemachine.withgoogle.com. So there are several use cases. I'm just going to get started in here. Let's create a new image project with the standard image object. Okay. Let's create basic class will be me. So okay, some images as an example, and maybe I'll put me plus mask, so there's no sort of the tendency at some point. Okay, try to classify this. Why not? Okay, just I'm pushing a bit randomly to get some images, and I push the train button. Can wait this for. Okay, depending on your computer and the network and stuff, it may be a bit longer anyway. Should not be that long. These numbers here, 98 and 106, are a bit random, so we are going to test this before, and if we feel like there is something to change, we can just do more samples. Okay, so now it says here, I'm just going to move this a bit. It's me, 100% confidence, and then if I had the mask, it says me plus mask. So apparently the model is OK. So I'm just going to export model directly. I don't care about the scripts here because it's what I've already embedded for you in the REPL that we are going to fork. So I'm just downloading my model directly into my computer. So here it's downloaded, and then I'm going to open the REPL that you're going to put these files on. So what you should do here is to go to Teachable in here and see this Teachable machine here, fork. So add clementwalter.teachable machine fork. So it has automatically been forked, and then so here I have new pass. So change the name directly, mask or no mask, why not, for instance. And then I'm going just to just opening unzip and get these files, drop this here, replace. Okay, if I want to make sure it's okay, I can go to the metadata and I will see if it's the last model, me plus mask. So this is all good, and I can here, so this is the pass for the column. So now we are done for the model part. So let's open Glide and create a new app, mask or not, continue, glide table, continue. Okay, let's go to the table directly, drop this one, unlink, and go to the user. So here, as for the other classification, I'm going to create an input image, basic type image here, done. And I'm going to create, as for the basic image classification, a classification column, which is an experimental code column with the URL here have just been given by REPL. So you can see the name is directly embedded with your username. So for me, it's Clementwalter. And then here the image is the input image, and it's done. So I'm going to just maybe take some screenshots of me, not this screenshot, this one I don't care, a screenshot of myself like that. Okay, one here, and then just done. I select this here, desktop, here, just uploading the image. And here we are. So it just says me is no mask and me plus mask 0%. So the prediction is quite accurate. And if I do another, say another picture, a screenshot here with the mask, okay, once again, done. And I choose this image instead. Let's upload something. And me plus mask here directly 100% confidence and 0% confidence for only me. So basically it's all you need. You first train your model with teachable machine with Google.com, so it's exactly what you need. Then you fork the base teachable machine here repository. I'll put the link down below. You drag and drop the file that you have downloaded to replace the one that I've put already in here, and then for the classification column you put in here the link that is given by repo when you go on the top right corner. Here this is the path of the column. Just copy paste what you find here, and once again it's done. It's so easy, it's done. So hopefully you will find this useful, and good coding to all.